3 Hot Wheels basic cars. Just saying, Happy New Year, that's why I'm opening 3 cars. So we have these 3. So we have these 3. So we have the 69 Copo Camaro, the Demicini Veloce, and Track Magna. Now, I reckon we should open up the Copo Camaro first. So here it is. It's whoa, haha, it's very nice. Got these cool black stripes. Just saying, Happy New Year. Hope you had a great New Year. I reckon it might be better in 2020 and 2021, and maybe even this year. Fingers crossed, let's hope it's going to be better than the past 2 years. Okay, here we have the Demicini Veloce from Retro Racers. Really like this livery. It's kind of like an Audi Quattro Lancia Stratos Lancia 037 kind of car. Yeah, so anyway, here was this one. Now this one's probably my favourite. I really like it. Got this cool tail section there, which is glass. Can't see any paint imperfections, which is good. Here we have the last one, which is Track Magna from Spoiler Alert. Now I really like this one. I really like the livery. Okay. Ooh, that is nice. You can see the yellow floor in there. Spoiler alert, it does have a pretty massive spoiler at the back, and I really like it. It was the sharp fronts, and I reckon these silver and black rims go really well. Anyway, Happy New Year. Now let's get into the close-ups.